Hi, this short video is actually about two different orders. These angle brackets in the in your advertising show it in this position. You needed to include a view like this. I was expecting a solid back. I'm not sure what these protrusions are for. I had a different use entirely in mind. I think these are just shelf brackets, perhaps to use with perforated wallboard. I'm not sure I would have ordered them if I had seen the back. But anyways, that's that. This actually works pretty good, but with the weight of the camera, sometimes it's jerky. I'm not really complaining about the stand. That really works pretty well. The camera, this is my primary complaint. The battery appears to charge, and if I can find it, come on. The light control works rather well. Okay. The battery charge indicator, I think you can see this in the video. This is how it looks all the time. It looked like that when I started to charge, and after about 10 hours it looks the same to me. It does accept and sense the memory card that I put in. I'm not sure you can see this. I attempted to take pictures, and that's the video icon up here. What's with that? I don't know. I can change to still photography, but it takes no still pictures. It beats me. I don't understand. Now, when I plug this into the computer to try to access the camera, this is what I get. And I can't do anything. Maybe you can explain it. I just unplugged the computer. Now I've gone into the menu, and it seems I can navigate through the menu. To get rid of the menu, it seems that I have to turn the thing off and then back on. It just doesn't appear to be functional for my use. The screen does, the focusing does seem to work. All I'm looking at is the table. But there it is. I'll publish this and let you know.